Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. We've got an unboxing today from Allen Edmonds. Now this is a really cool pair of shoes and something a little different. Allen Edmonds had a denim promotion that they did with Raleigh Denim, and they had actually had a couple of pairs of custom ones, which were a little on the expensive side for me. They were $1,300, and I thought for a pair of Allen Edmonds, I couldn't really swing that. But they were unique. They only did 22 pairs, and each pair of denim was unique, which is very cool. But these, you can see that they did special bags, which I think is cool. This is this black denim, which, as you guys know, I don't have a lot of pairs of black shoes, but I wanted to try this. So this is this rough selvage denim shoe. They finished it with the black sole, which I think is very cool. And you can see the stitch density and stuff is pretty consistent for Allen Edmonds. Now, not super clean, but not terrible. This is actually pretty good. And it is leather lined. So we'll take this out. And if we open this up, you can see there's the leather lining on the tongue, then leather lining all throughout the shoe. So, you know, if you wear cloth shoes, your feet can stink. Leather actually absorbs a lot of that and is better. So these are leather, and there is a single solid leather insole or footbed as well, which is important to the whole piece as well. So this is the limited edition series 2. Here, I'm just going to do that. And just very interesting. This is the strand pattern, which is one that I don't have a lot of. I actually don't have, I have one that's very similar to it now. And here is, it's got this kind of, this is a little different than most of the, this is kind of a fleur-de-lis medallion cut into this, which is nice. Here you can see the other one. Sole, again, very consistent. It's very black, and while I don't wear a lot of black shoes, I can find some uses for this. And this is actually what I'm going to wear when I go up to the Allen Edmonds factory for their 101st anniversary. This is the pair of shoes that I want to wear, so I'm super excited that they got here on time. I wasn't sure that they would. So really interesting and very different, certainly unique in my collection, and look forward to getting them on the hoof and seeing how they are. So thanks for watching. Something different. This is, they call it the Dahlia, so like a black dahlia, and just thought that was a cool thing. And you can see how there's like rough around the edges here, which is pretty consistent as you look at all of the denim. So very cool. Thanks for watching.